Hello again. I think for most of us the next 12 hours is going to be much more important than the week ahead. Some severe weather blowing up across the southern half of England and Wales. Gusts could be as high as 100 miles an hour, and some heavy rain to add to the problems. There could well be some local flooding. Now that's where we think the strongest winds will be. We've already had gusts of 90 miles an hour across the West Country, and even up into the Midlands and South East England through the rest of the day the winds could be touching 70 to 80 miles an hour. It's all down to this nasty little area of low pressure. It's brought some heavy rain with it, this lovely curl of rain across into Northern Ireland. Now these are blustery showers. There is a little bit of a lull in between the two sorts of wet stuff, but don't be fooled by that. When those squally showers move in, those winds will soon pick up once again. Now problems in Northern Ireland as well, because this heavy rain is turning to sleet and snow, and we could have problems with wintry weather over the southern uplands later on in the day. So we've got a weather warning for that wintry weather over the hills of Northern Ireland, some drifting of the snow, dangerous driving conditions there, and we're keeping a very close eye on developments over southern Scotland. Now later on, as the low moves away, skies will clear and there'll be a frost, and there could well be some icy roads tonight. So a pretty rough afternoon. The safest place, I think, probably the far north of the British Isles through today. Temperatures pretty insignificant really. It will feel very cold. Now the low moves away, this little ridge of high pressure, clearer skies, lighter winds, the chance of some ice, quite a widespread frost over the northern half of the British Isles. So even though there'll be a lull in the wind, some quite difficult travelling conditions. Another little low chasing through on Monday, another low bringing more wet and windy weather in from the Atlantic during Tuesday. In fact, on both forward edges of those rain areas, there could well be some sleet and snow, mainly over the high ground of northern Britain, and some pretty squally showers coming in after that second weather system during Tuesday. Now, during the middle part of the week, a run of westerly winds and squally showers, and then on Thursday, another weather system starts to head towards us from the southwest. So a lot of bright and dry weather on the eastern side of the country, but lots of squally showers could gang up on the country at times. And then on Thursday, this wet weather coming up from the southwest, and that will mark quite a significant change towards the end of the week, because as that system moves northwards, the winds will turn to the south. And as that rain pushes north, we could see a change to much milder conditions by Friday. That's the forecast.